Hi Smart Builders. I'm Liam from Construction Bay. Today we talk about CAT 797F mining truck. The CAT 797F mining truck, manufactured by Caterpillar, is a powerhouse in the road construction industry. Designed for heavy-duty hauling applications, its size, power, and durability are unparalleled, making it the preferred choice for many large-scale road construction projects. Powered by the CAT C175-20 quad turbocharged diesel engine, the 797F offers a gross power output of an incredible 4,000 horsepower. Its fuel-efficient engine, in combination with its gigantic 400-ton payload capacity, makes the 797F one of the most productive trucks in its class. The 797F comes with a 7-speed planetary power shift transmission that ensures smooth, efficient gear shifts. Its oil-cooled multiple-disc brakes offer excellent stopping power and are virtually maintenance-free, adding to the machine's overall productivity and safety. The 797F's operator station is economically designed for maximum comfort and control. Its spacious cabin offers excellent visibility, an adjustable air suspension seat, and intuitive controls for easy operation. The truck also features the VIMS 3G system, an onboard data management tool that tracks vital signs and alerts operators to potential maintenance issues. The machine is built with sustainability in mind. Its engine meets US EPA Tier 4 final exhaust emission standards, and it features an optional 0.0 gallon fuel tank to extend its range and reduce refueling stops. In terms of maintenance, the 797F's modular design simplifies many maintenance tasks. Most major components are accessible from ground level, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. Thanks for lovely full watch. Subscribe for the next video. Give a like, comment, share. For inspire me. Thank you.